Hey guys, I just arrived at the site and looks like I'm the one who's late. My fundis were already on site and we're having a small chat just to plan the next phase of this project. There's always a way the professional want things done, and there's also a way I, the layman, wants it done. So we have to come to an agreement. We are beginning the phase 2 of this project. And I told you I'm really excited about it. We are beginning the plastering work. So today I'm basically expecting materials to arrive. Expecting sand, I'm expecting cement. I'm also expecting some pieces of wood that we are going to use in building the rack that will be used in plastering the higher walls and the ceiling area. So I've been chilling here for quite some time. We get the sand from faraway place, but I really want the materials to come when I'm here so that I can confirm the quantities and the quality of the materials we're going to use. So basically that's what I'm doing today. We're also fixing some electrical work. You remember the time some arsonists came and burnt down my property? So some of the piping that was already done for the electricity supply was damaged. So that is also something we are fixing. And then before the plaster, you also want to make sure everything is in the right place, like where you want your sockets, where you want the lights to be. If you are doing the wall brackets, if you're doing chandeliers, there are specific places you want things to be. So we are also fixing that because the plastering work is beginning tomorrow. So today we are doing those final touches on conduiting, that is. So come with me. So our first delivery is here, the cement and the wood, and now we're just going to arrange them in the house. I'm trying to order bit by bit so that I don't have a lot of stock of cement. Cement easily gets spoiled, especially when exposed to water, so I just want to be ordering what I use in a day. So the electrical work is also on. These are the repairs we are doing. I always like to be part of what is going on. So instead of just staring and confirming stuff, I always like helping out. So this is some of the work we've been working on today. So like this is a corridor on the ground floor, and I'd love some lights on the walls of the corridor. So these have been fixed today. They are part of the final touches I'm making on the electrical work. And then like this one had previously been put, but it was not on the same level as the other one on the other side. It's always important that they are on the same level. So this has also been moved. Not done yet, but that's the kind of work we are doing today. So we are going to start with the lower floor, that is the ground floor, and that's where we are doing those final touches, because tomorrow plastering begins here. You see how the rain has been messing the floors because of that opening on the staircase, which I showed you earlier. So we are also going to have that area covered, so there'll be no water pouring into the house on the lower floor. So it looks like I already have a rooftop pool before I even construct one. So this is the terrace, and it's flooded because the water outlet that we made got blocked. So I'll just unblock it so that the water can drip out. So we had a growth of moss that blocked that outlet. That's what I've removed, and the water is now flowing perfectly. It's already 6 p.m. and some of the materials haven't arrived. I'm still waiting for the sand to arrive. Meanwhile, the electrical work is not done yet. We are currently working on security lights around the house. This is just going to be a temporary one. We will do the final lighting when the plastering is complete and the roofing is done. This kind of lighting is really necessary for us because the materials will be here without supervision the whole night, and someone can easily come and steal them. So that is the reason we really have to fix the lights. And just when I was about to give up, they showed up. As we always say, better late than never. It's really cold and I'm really tired, but finally I'm going home. It's been raining heavily and the truck just got stuck right here at the gate. So we couldn't have our sand delivered in the compound. We had to pour it right here, right outside the gate. It just did that dangerous tilt. I'm always really scared of this kind of trucks. Offloading the entire load is becoming tricky because part of the truck is sunk in mud. So as they try, let me go check on the security lights if they're done. Mission still impossible. They have to move ahead fast before they can offload the rest, but since they are stuck, movement is also impossible. So I will leave them to fix that and focus on other things before I leave. So the lights are being tested already, and looks like they are doing quite okay. And yes, that's done. Thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next. I'll leave these guys to fix their problem.